Rachel Raspberry, and this video is for you. It's all about how to clean your oven using essential oils. Enjoy. Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna do a video on how to clean your oven. Yesterday I cooked shepherd's pie. It leaked all over, started getting all burned and black on the bottom. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the inside of my oven. You can see like that black stuff over here too. Pretty stuck on there, so I'm gonna take this grill tool and try scraping off some of this. Okay guys, we got the ingredients for the oven. It's gonna be a small bowl, 1.5 cups baking soda, 10 drops of lemon, 10 drops of melaleuca, which is also known as tea tree oil, a little bit of vinegar, and we're gonna make it into a paste. And then we're gonna put this paste on the oven. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. I'm not gonna measure it. Just gonna make a lot of paste. I'm just gonna make a lot. Use the whole thing, I don't care. 10 drops. Ooh.
I can taste it.
Now the melaleuca. 9, 10 and a half. Let's stir that around a little bit. Now we're gonna add vinegar. It's gonna get fizzy, so we're gonna add it slow. Look at those bubbles!
Science, yo.
Well, who knew you could use science in real life? Let's see if that's enough liquid to make it into a little paste. I think it is, because there's a lot of dry on the bottom still. And make it into a little paste. It's not even a paste. I maybe put too much vinegar. It's just like cream.
Cream.
So let's put the cream on here and see what happens. Okay, it's the next day. I let the oven soak overnight in that paste, and my kitchen got a lot dirtier since then, so we're gonna see how easily this stuff comes off, or if it works. And we're just gonna see if it comes off. It does come off. Wow, it looks a lot better. I mean, it's not getting this stuff, but it's getting like some other stuff that I wasn't expecting. This stuff is really thick. Right here, these big spots, so I'm not surprised.
The verdict.
And I think it turned out okay. I mean, it didn't get those big ones off that I wanted. It just needs to be more. I need to do it again.
Oh, look at that.
It's really looking good. I mean, I still gotta do the back and the top a little. Okay guys, so there you have it. How to clean your oven using essential oils. I'll put the recipe in the description. I'll also, if you're interested in buying some oils, you don't have any, I'll put my website link in the description and you can contact me there. I'll help you set up your first order. Also, if you have any tips how to get that really hard, cruddy stuff off the bottom without using any toxic chemicals. Let me know, post in the comments what you do for that. If I get 20 likes on this video, I'll probably do more like cleaning, toxic-free cleaning videos using essential oils and other essential oils videos. So if that's something you're interested in and you thought this was interesting, let me know.